Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to earn money with Copy.ai. That is going to be using the Copy.ai affiliate program. So in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about everything you need to know about the Copy.ai affiliate program. That is program details, how to sign up, commission details, and payments. All of this is going to be included in this video, so if you want to hear all of that and benefit from it, just stick to this video. So let's start by saying, what is this Copy.ai affiliate program? First and foremost, Copy.ai affiliate program is a program that you can sign up to, and then once you do that, they will provide you with a link to their products, which are those products over here. And once somebody clicks on your link and purchases any of those products, you will get a percentage. You will get a commission. I will be talking about how much you'll be getting exactly and all of those information. I will include all of that, so don't worry. But you may want to ask, is it for free? Do I have to pay anything to start this Copy.ai affiliate program? And the answer is absolutely not. It's for free, completely for free. All you have to do is just follow the following steps that I will be showing you, and you should be good to go and start your work with it. So in order to sign up to this program, first you need to open up your Google browser, and then you just type in Copy AI. That's it. Once you do that, my bad, I need to go to Google and type it in there because I want to go to the affiliate page. So Google Copy AI. Right, from Copy AI, we go to this link over here, the affiliate program. You click on that. Once you click on that, if we scroll down quickly to the bottom, we will find this apply to be a partner. You click on that, and then it should send you to the sign up page. However, at this moment, I cannot show you how to sign up in this certain page, but I will show you exactly what they are going to ask you and tell you what you should be putting. So right now, there's no place for us, so it just says come back to try again in the future. However, let's show you the questions that are going to be in there. So once you click on that, it should say apply now. You click on it, and then it should give you 6 short questions. So they are basic questions, nothing serious, nothing too complicated here. Full name, obviously, you just type in your full name, so first name and last name, and then you just type in your email. Next is going to be the website. For the website, you need to figure out which kind of way are you going to be sharing your link. Like I said, the affiliate program is simply you get a link from them, a unique link that they will provide you once you sign up, and then you need to be sharing it on either a website, a blog, or podcast, or maybe if you have a YouTube channel, you share it on there, or maybe on Instagram. So you need to ask yourself, where am I going to be sharing the links? If it's going to be a blog or a website, you just type in the website over here. If it's a YouTube channel, you just need to link your YouTube channel over here with the same link. You just go to YouTube, your channel, and then you just copy the link and paste it over here. And then the next question is going to be, where would you like to promote Copy AI? Simply, like we just stated previously, is going to be, for example, if it's a blog, you just type in on the question, you just go ahead and type in a website / blog if you want. And if it's YouTube channel, you just do social media posts / videos maybe. So you just need to state how you are going to be sharing your link, basically. If it's on Instagram, you obviously just type this example over here. Social media posts, if it's a newsletter, email lists, you get the idea. So that's what you put on this question. Next question. What audience or customer type are you planning to target? So what kind of audience you want to target for this Copy AI? Copy AI helps with writers or voice, people that need voice basically. So you can just type in writers. So if you want to do the writers, you want to copy the link for the writers, you just type in that. If you want more than that, you just put comma and then type whichever other type of customer you want to target. It's very, very simple. And then they will ask you how large is your audience, and they will give you 4 different options to choose from. You could choose less than 1,000, 1,000 to 5,000, 5,000 to 20, and 20 plus. So basically, it just depends on how many views you get on your website, YouTube, Instagram, how many followers you have, how many subscribers, or how many views you get average on your website. You just pick whichever one that you have. Obviously, the more the better if you have that, but if you don't feel ashamed to choose less than 1,000, and you could get approved, so don't worry about it. Next, they will you'll be done with the 6 questions. However, there will be actually more questions. But those are the basic stuff. It's like signing up to any different website. It's going to be like first name, last name again, email, and password, and you just confirm your password. And then they will ask you to add your PayPal that you want to be paid with. So after that, you will need to be approved, and then they will just send you the link. Once you have gotten the link, you will need to only worry about getting the money, which means commissions, which we will talk about right now. So what about the commissions once you sign up? How much am I going to earn? I have another notepad over here. If I just go to it, sorry about that noise. So I have this written. So commissions. What is going to be the commissions? Copy AI affiliate program offers 45% commission, which is very good. So what does that mean? That means that if you send the link on your, or post the link on your website or social media, and somebody opens the link and purchases something, out of that total amount in dollars, you will get a 45% of it. Now, it has 60-day cookie duration, meaning you will have this time limit. It's not going to be forever. So if somebody opens the link that you have provided, they have 60 days in order to buy something. If they buy something after 60 days using the link, you will not get the commissions basically. So you have 60 days in order someone to purchase something for you to get the commission. Hope that makes sense. So let's make it simpler. So if somebody clicks on your link and then buys something, let's say 62 days later, you will not get the commission. If it's 50 days later, you will end up getting the commission. Also, you need to note that it's only within the first 12 months you'll be getting the commission. Don't forget that Copy AI is a monthly subscription type of thing. So let's say they got the 36 per month. So for 12 months, you'll be getting the commission. So month 1, month 2, until 12th month, and then you will stop getting the commission. So that's what it means to have within the first 12 months. Now, I just gave a little example here. So the least expensive option I can see here is $36. So let's say you got a referral and somebody clicked on your link and purchased it. How much will you be getting? So $36, it's not percent, it should be dollars, my bad. So if it's 45%, you'll be getting $16.2 per one person and per one subscription. Remember, you have 12 subscriptions that if they keep obviously paying for it. So let's say they keep paying for it for 12 months. You will get a total of $194.4 per one person that kept subscribing for 12 months. Hope that makes sense. It's a really, really, really good amount of money for not a lot of work, really. So keep that in mind. Now, what about the payments? The payments are going to be through PayPal. Like I said in the signing up process, you will be providing your PayPal account, and they will be paying you on PayPal on the 1st and 15th of each month. So that's all there is to know about this program. It's very excellent for you to start affiliate marketing using this Copy.ai. And yeah, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.